Have you been hearing a lot about hemp or CBD oil? Trying to learn what the buzz is all about? When talking about hemp, it's important to distinguish it from marijuana in that its chemical makeup is similar, although somewhat different. The THC content, or what gets you high in marijuana, is significantly lower when talking about hemp. The first questions I ask someone when trying to select a good product is, what is our target use? And do you get drug tested, as full-spectrum extracts may produce a positive urine drug screen when using them, as there's 0.3% THC content. Some of the research that continues to build on hemp and its usage are stress and anxiety, depression, insomnia, chronic pain and inflammation, cognitive support, rebuilding of new nerves, cancer. When selecting a product, it is important to deal with someone that's knowledgeable in cannabinoid therapy, as there tends to be a number of drug interactions. Additionally, the dosing varies considerably depending on our usage, and the higher we go, the more sedating it becomes. It is important to remember that there are over 1,000 products on the market currently, and no real enforcement regulation about labeling or product quality. So make sure you're talking to someone knowledgeable when selecting the product that is right for you.